Today, we explore the word accept, a powerful word that opens doors to new opportunities and helps us connect with others. Accept means to agree to receive something or to agree to do something. It shows willingness and approval. A common mistake is confusing accept with accept. Accept means to receive or agree. Accept means excluding something. Common patterns are: accept an invitation, accept responsibility, accept a gift, and accept the truth. She accepted the job offer happily. Please accept my apologies. They accepted the gift with a smile. We must accept changes to grow. Anna was nervous to accept help, but when she did, everything became easier and she felt grateful. Think of accept as accept. Imagine opening your arms to accept something offered to you. Now you know accept means to agree or receive. Try using it today and see how it opens new chances.